Are you looking for Excel dashboard or trying to automate hours of work into minutes? You've come to the right place. I have worked with clients in over 10 years of experience, and you can get all the professional help right here. Check out all my original work here that was delivered to various customers, and also feel free to check out my ratings and my feedback. They do reflect satisfied work for all the customers. In case you have multiple hours of work that needs to be converted down to minutes or create an Excel automation, please feel free to contact me, and I will also create professional dashboards. The dashboard that you see here are the ones which are being delivered to the customers and are the original work. Okay, so feel free to contact me, and I'll be a one-stop shop. I'll also go ahead and work with you even after the delivery. If there is any support or two that you need, I'll be happy to assist in everything that you need. Before placing an order, please contact me so that I can understand your request and deliver what is needed correctly. Looking forward to hear from you. Thank you very much.